Today I'm gonna be
Okay,
teaching
alright,
you how to
well,
get
it has to
broccoli.
be a
It's pretty easy, but let's go.
rock, paper,
First, you need
scissors,
and a grappler. I bring a
What?
grappler. It's
paper,
10 times easier
scissors.
with a grappler and a book bag to get all the broccoli. Duh.
He picked logs
With
and
your
then
fireworks.
he changed. Alright, guys.
And then you go, but kind of like beside the new office map, and then you go right over here, so you can go outside the map, like this. My neck hurts. Bombing. Alright, I going on no PvP. Alright, let's, maybe I should go like right here. Let's. Hey, wait a minute. Next, after you get here, you have to, don't go in those little chair things, trust me. But you need to go right there, you see that? So.
I'll trade some space for a big bag full of rock.
So let's go.
I want to
Climb over
sand, that's all I
here.
want.
And then you're here. Just that the green frick. Before I go, I need to get my frick. It's taken. Get your grapple out, and then basically, I would grapple to the. I'm gonna get 10 of everything. So, no, I'm at 5 of everything, 6 of everything. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did I get? Okay, I have 7. Dump out 1. Now I should have 6. Alright. By the way, if you drop your book bag into the void, you can still get it. It's just kind of. 1, 2, 3.
Can y'all get a bunch of...
Okay, well, it looks like. And then done. I would go back. I'd probably do what I just did, or well, now I can't really do that. So I would just rejoin and come back, and then you know, have all the stuff. So that's how you do it.